Hi everyone, good morning. Today we're going to pick a winner of Purple Meadow. Who will it be? Okay, we had 9 people say, I want this one. It's Purple Meadow, and we're going to pick a number from 1 to 9. Good luck. We're going to shuffle. Okay, hold on. All right, here we go. I can't see backwards, guys. But we shuffled. Okay. Here we go. Let's go. Who will it be? Good luck, everybody! Number 1! Who is number 1? Let's take a look, shall we? It is Star. Star is number 1. Congratulations, Star. I'm so excited for you. I'm excited for all of you. This has been fun. Okay, let me circle you. And I have your address and everything already. And look forward to the email. If you still want it, let me know. I mean, if you do not want it, let me know. And you will have to pay shipping. So as long as you still want it and you still want to pay shipping, just let me know all that. Okay, stay tuned because later today is another canvas. Woo, woo. This is so much fun, guys. Have a great day because I'm pampered with diamonds. I like this a lot. And be kind to everyone you meet.